How to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings on your phone. Tap on your profile. Then you want to tap on Password and Security. You must have your phone number here. Now you want to go back and then you want to go ahead and scroll down and sign out of it. Now tap on Sign Out, and to enter password, you want to go ahead and tap on Forgot Password. Now here you want to enter the code of your phone. Here you will get to enter your new password. So you want to create your new password and then retype your password here. And just like that, you'll be able to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. And that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.